Wow. I guess I can't tell if it's bigger than I thought or what, but I can see that thing from way back there. Interesting. How's it going, guys? As you know from the title. Yeah, so let's get this back to the house and see what it looks like. Let's put it up together first. Stay tuned performance. It's upside down, but that's what it says. Alright, let's see what's in here. Well, the main part. What we've all been waiting to see. You ready? See what it looks like. Oh, surprise. Whoa. Alright, now you ready? You sure you're ready? Alright. That's actually not too bad for ABS plastic. Alright, I'm gonna start the installation. So I mounted it without the stands. I think it looks good like this. What I don't like though, is look at how sharp that goes up. That's almost like an air brake. I don't like that at all. I mean, this is fine, so you can look behind you, but I don't like that sharp angle, that curve. That's the only, well, I mean, that and it's 56 inches. I think it's claimed 57. I really do need, this is one of those things where size does matter. It needs a little more coverage. I'll probably still rock it. But like this, dude, this is cool. This time ain't over yet, fellas. Still have to put the sides on. Wonder how that's gonna look. Let me get the bolts out and let me put these on and skip to the next part. Yep. Okay, I tried, but I mean, it looks good. It does look good. It's just I can't really take a good video because it wants to lean back. Lean back. But still, I just don't like that freaking wall. I'm tempted to grind it down. Very tempted. Other than that, it looks great. Looks better than I did, but looks kind of not perfect, but looks better than it did. There we go. I'll put some clear coat on Rust-Oleum Universal. Now it looks better for sure. No splotches. No splotches. Came out nice. Not perfect, but it's only noticeable if you get right close to it. Yeah. Now let's put it on. See what it looks like. There it is. All of its glory. eBay spoiler. I can't see what my camera sees because it's so bright out here. That's what it looks like though. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. Not too bad.